In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make money on Fiverr without actually needing any skills yourself or even fulfill any services. Have you noticed that over the past few years there's been an explosion in something called the gig economy? Just in case you're wondering, a gig worker is someone you hire to perform temporary or freelance work for your business. Now, more than I've ever seen, people are turning to side hustles and gigs to make extra money on the side. But what if you don't have any gigs of your own or any skills that you feel you can offer? Well, I have a backdoor strategy that's going to allow you to tap into this multi-billion-dollar industry without having any skills of your own or even fulfill any services yourself. It's all on today's training, but before we get onto that, I would like to welcome you to my channel. My aim is to provide you with good quality, trustworthy information that will help you to succeed online as an affiliate marketer. So if you enjoyed today's video, please do subscribe to my channel and keep your eye out for my latest videos. I try and post 2 new videos each week. Okay, let's move on to today's topic. How do we make money on Fiverr without having any skills of our own to offer or even setting up a profile on Fiverr? We're going to use a strategy called affiliate marketing. If this is a new concept to you, affiliate marketing lets you promote someone else's product or service while you get a commission on the sale. So let's say someone needs a new website. You don't have to be the one to build the website for them to make money. All you need to do is refer them to someone on Fiverr, and if they purchase that service, you'll get a commission without having to know a single line of code. So let's get into what Fiverr offers. There are actually a ton of affiliate programs you can find on Fiverr's website, from one-time payouts to recurring commissions. And because Fiverr offers so many different services, there's an endless amount you can promote, from graphic design, building a website, ghostwriting, blog articles, dance lessons, health and fitness. There are so many services that you can make money promoting that help people grow their business or enrich their life. But here's how I would personally recommend using this strategy. Step 1, choose your niche. It's important to pick a niche with services that solve a massive problem. Services that help people build their business. Services that help people lose weight. Services that help people make money. The bigger the problem is in someone's life, the more they're willing to pay for that problem to be fixed, which means the more money you'll make promoting that service. Step 2, create a free gift that directs someone to your affiliate offer. Let's say that you want to connect business owners with coders that can build their website. What you'll want to do is find the 5 best coders on Fiverr at the best possible price. Then build out a list or a spreadsheet where your readers can find them, but use your affiliate links so that if they do end up going with one of these coders, you'll get a commission on that sale. You can give an exciting headline like the top 10 creators to help you build a website for only $5, or whatever it is you're trying to help people discover. By the way, you'll need to do your homework here to make sure you find the best providers at the best price. Now, even though you can give this gift away for free, you want to ask for their email address in exchange. That way, you can continue to send them additional offers and continue to make money. Okay, so you're probably thinking, all of this sounds great, but how do I get started? I know the feeling. You're wondering how you're going to build this free gift, how you'll collect email addresses, how you'll get people to even find you. Not to mention, what additional offers are you going to sell? Now, if you know all of the answers to those questions, that's awesome. You can take this strategy and get started right away. But if you're like me when I was just getting started, you probably need some additional help in putting all of this together. Well, if you want to learn more about how affiliate marketing works, then if you look below in my description, you'll see a link which you can click to access a free online training video where my partner, a hugely successful affiliate marketer, will reveal the 4 steps you need to learn and apply to grow a profitable affiliate business today. I highly recommend you take a look at this video. It's free, there's no cost. All you need to do is click the link below this video and register for the free training video. By watching this free online video, you will know the 4 key things you need to learn and apply to become a successful affiliate. If you enjoyed this video, please do me a favour and click the like button. Also, please do leave a comment below this video, as I appreciate your feedback. And don't forget to look below in my description and click the link and watch the free training video. Thank you.